Hello, besties. I hope you guys are doing well. The feeling is mutual here as well. So, thank you for stopping by and checking on this video. And if you're first time watching this video, kindly consider subscribing or giving it a like. I'll really appreciate. So today I'm going to show you a simple technique, the technique that I've been using to do my own hair. It's so simple and it is beginner friendly. Hairstyle that you'll go for about 3 weeks just by doing it yourself. It is so simple. So let's go to the point and let me show you how I always do it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to part the hair into 3 sections, and then I'm going to start braiding in, starting from the bottom so that I can grab all hair, and then I'm going to tie a knot. After being satisfied with the knot, I'm going to feed in the braids. I'm going to feed in just by starting with a little and little as I go on and on by feeding those braids in. When you're doing this hairstyle, make sure it is secure enough by braiding it from the roots. These will be able to make your hair look very neat to avoid those flyaways without using any product or any braiding gel, and that is how you come up with the neatness.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss on any video that I'm going to upload. And if you're going to try this technique, make sure you tell me on the comment section. So if you believe yourself, everything is always possible. So stay safe, stay positive, and bye. Mwah.